Hey there.
Today we're diving into the fascinating world of ashwagandha. Ashwagandha, also known as Indian ginseng, is an ancient herb with a rich history in Ayurvedic medicine. What is ashwagandha? Ashwagandha, scientifically called Withania somnifera, belongs to a class of plants known as adaptogens. Its roots and berries are used for their medicinal properties. Ashwagandha helps the body adapt to stressors and restore balance. What are the health benefits of ashwagandha? Relieves stress and anxiety. Numerous studies confirm ashwagandha's stress-relieving properties. It significantly reduces stress and anxiety levels. You will get better sleep quality with ashwagandha supplementations. Blood sugar and fat regulation. Small clinical trials suggest ashwagandha can lower blood glucose and triglyceride levels, comparable effects to medications used for type 2 diabetes. Anti-inflammatory properties. Ashwagandha fights inflammation, benefiting overall health. It's great for joint health and malaise conditions like rheumatism, boosts energy and vitality. Feeling drained? Ashwagandha can increase energy levels and combat fatigue, enhances brain function. Some evidence points to improved cognitive function and memory. How to use ashwagandha. Dosage. Consult a healthcare professional for personalized recommendations. Forms. You'll find ashwagandha as teas, powders, tinctures, and supplements. Caution. Pregnant or lactating women should avoid ashwagandha. Ashwagandha, your natural ally for stress relief, vitality, and overall well-being. Ashwagandha is a versatile herb, and there are several ways to incorporate it into your daily routine. Let's explore some methods. Ashwagandha tea. Mix a teaspoon of ashwagandha root powder into a cup of warm water or milk. Enjoy it as a soothing tea to relax and unwind. Smoothies and beverages. Add ashwagandha powder to your favorite smoothies or juices. It blends well with fruit flavors and provides an extra boost. Capsules. Take ashwagandha in capsule form. Along with your morning vitamins, capsules offer convenience and precise dosing. Infused ghee. Mix ashwagandha powder with ghee, clarified butter. Use it as a flavorful addition to your meals. Simmered with warm milk. A classical Ayurvedic method. Simmer ashwagandha with warm whole milk. This combination is nourishing and calming. Remember, always consult a healthcare professional for personalized recommendations. Enjoy the benefits of ashwagandha. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more health insights.